Happy Thanksgiving to our fellow Americans. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&MG. We just want to say happy holidays to our fellow Americans, our neighbors to the south. We hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving. Canada actually had our Thanksgiving in October. Many people don't know that. So today's Throwback Thursday, and because it's Throwback Thursday, we're going to show a 2019 Thanksgiving video short just for you all to enjoy. Thank you for the continued support, everyone. Bless.